gentlemen, a very good evening to you all. Welcome back. Thank you so much for being patient, and thank you again for joining us today at the day 4 of Lakme Fashion Week's Digital First Season Fluid Edition. We all just witnessed yet another fabulous showcase by designers Jayanti Reddy and Sukriti and Akriti, who gave bridal fashion a contemporary and a creative spin unlike ever before. Joining us today are the talented designers themselves, Jayanti Reddy of label Jayanti Reddy and Sukriti and Akriti Grover of the label Sukriti and Akriti, as well as the dashing showstopper Apar Shakti Khurana. I'd like to first congratulate the designers Jayanti, Sukriti, and Akriti for yet another glamorous showcase, and thank you for being back at Lakme Fashion Week in its new virtual avatar. All of us tuned in here I certainly have several questions for you, and so I'm going to start first with Jayanti.
Sure.
Jayanti, the Rouge collection was mesmerizing. Tell us a little bit about the collection being an ode to the color red.
So for me, red signifies happiness, boldness, power, and a lot of sensuality and stuff like that. So that's the reason I decided to do a whole color of red. I mean, there was just something positive that had to come out of the whole lockdown and COVID and stuff like that. So that's the reason I decided to choose the color red, and hence it's called Rouge.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. My next question to Sukriti, Akriti. The collection Neo Fulkari added a splash of color to the virtual runway. Tell us about it.
So we tried to pick up Fulkari, which is a dying craft in our country, and we tried to portray it in a new form in contemporary silhouettes. Also, Fulkari is worn. It's from Punjab, and it was always worn for joyous occasions, for festivities, and we thought, why not use this beautiful craft on more contemporary silhouettes? And that's what we decided to do this season.
Right. Would you like to add on to this, Akriti?
We try to match the Fulkari, bring that entire technique and trend to basically merge into our branding aesthetics, which was like using organic fabrics, self-dyed materials to kind of enhance the embroidery. So it was a mix of Fulkari with our traditional Gota work on our organic fabric to get the sustainable festivity on.
Right. Thank you so much. I'd now like to shine the spotlight on Sukriti and Akriti's charming showstopper, Apar Shakti Khurana. Apar Shakti, you were so effortless, like always, even on the ramp. What did you think of Sukriti and Akriti's range?
First of all, a very big, tight, virtual, COVID-free hug to all the pretty girls in the house. It feels like ऐसा लग रहा है मैं ना कहीं LSR में आ गया हूँ, all girls college. For an event where there are no boys. But yeah, coming back to the fashion week, yeah, I totally love their collection. I love their vibe. We have a few common friends. I already knew, Sukriti and Akriti and their work. I always say this, that they're very organic in their personal and professional approach, and that's what I love about them. And they're so organic that they don't even, I don't know if you know this, they don't even use visiting cards. They don't print invoices. यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो सिंपल टाइप के लोग होते हैं ना जो मुझे उनका कनेक्ट ज्यादा बैठता है. एंड आई ऑफ कोर्स टोटली लव देयर कलेक्शन. आई लव द कलर्स, एंड I would love to wear such outfits at a Sunday, kind of a weekend sundowner kind of a wedding in Goa. I think it's gonna be really cool.
That's lovely. Thank you so much, Apar Shakti. Thank you, Jayanti, Sukriti, and Akriti, and a big thank you for all of you all to joining us. I'm now going to open the floor to questions. I'd request all the attendees to please submit their questions in the Q&A box below, and we'll take it from there. We already have questions. Okay. Sukriti, Akriti, a question for either of you all. What was the greatest influence for your creation? Sukriti, would you like to go first?
Yeah, the greatest influence, like we know, it's Fulkari. That was the greatest influence this season for us. Right from Punjab, pulling it out and making it, getting it out for a wider appeal, and making it more contemporary in festive wear and organic festive wear. That's what we try to do this season.
Right. Akriti, can you tell us about the fabric, the colors, the techniques that you used?
So for this, like I said, the USP of the brand is that we only work with organic fabrics, and we specialize in organic cotton and making that festive. So it's like you use the thread of love from Fulkari a lot of thread work mixed in with gota with a little sequins and mirror. So it's like a mixed material outlay to give you that entire festivity feel that you need without making it too complicated.
Right. Thank you so much. Parashakti, next one's for you. Can you tell us how it felt like working for Lakme Fashion Week, this time in a very new virtual avatar, as against the normal one? What was it like? And which one?
Well, of course, you can't see those twinkling eyes when you're walking. But having said that, I think kudos to the entire team of Fashion Week and each and every designer who participated to make it happen. Life has started somewhere, and we need to put our best foot forward now. And it was amazing to, I must say that, Sukriti, Akriti both made the best track possible to keep the energy going. And I think me and Radhika both are very up-tempo with our energy. So I think we were cheering for each other, all of us. So it was a good one.
Right. Jayanti, next one's for you. Can you tell us about the fabrics, the cuts and the silhouettes for your collection?
Sure. Fabrics, I always work with a lot of pure fabrics. I've used a lot of raw silk, organza, pure silk that's woven in Banaras, and a lot of embroidered fabrics as well. And I've also concentrated a lot on draping this particular season. I had done that last time as well, but this particular time, I concentrated on drapes of dupattas in specific. And we've also done a lot of fabric manipulation to get different cuts for jackets and capes and stuff.
So my next question is to all the designers. Are you all looking forward to more virtual shows? What is your take on virtual fashion shows going forward? Sukriti, would you like to go first?
I think it's amazing. We all are sitting at different spots and we can come for this press con. So there are lots of people sitting at different spots and can view the show, as opposed to people who are just there present watching the show. So kind of your audience kind of becomes huge when it's a digital fashion week. I think those are the perks of having it digital.
Right. Akriti?
I feel the possibilities are endless when things become digital and everything is just available at a click. Even the most laziest human being will be like, okay, I can lie down in bed and kind of still watch the show. And it just goes across different continents, different countries. So I feel like everyone everywhere can access it. And it's just a whole magical world out there.
Jayanti, your turn.
Yeah. I think, like Sukriti said, I think the amount of reach you have to the audience is huge globally. And, when you do everything online and virtually, but I definitely miss the ramp. I miss the whole hangama, all that backstage madness that goes on. So that being said, I think there are both pros and cons to it. And, for example, fittings was by far the easiest fittings I've ever done. It was 45 minutes Zoom call, no taking a 5 a.m. flight, flying back in the night, doing all that, whatever. So it's definitely got its pros and cons. But overall, I think virtually things will work out and everything seems to be moving towards that direction anyway. So, yeah.
So much. Parashakti, next one's for you. What has your style mantra been these days? Given
even while we were doing the fittings, I was like, dude, I need a good fit. So not these days or otherwise, not only, it's not about, pre-COVID or post-COVID or during COVID. I just love fitted clothes. And when my pants were coming to, wear with the kurta, I was talking to Sukriti. I was like, yaar, pants ki fitting sahi na, tum pen ke dekho. And I wore them. I want the pants to land at a particular mark on my ankle. And she was like, don't worry at all. And the moment I wore it, I was like, dude, this is what I want. So yeah, I'm a sucker for fitted clothes. And be it any, season, be it any kind of style, I love fitted clothes.
Thanks so much, Parashakti. Thank you so much, Jayanti, Sukriti, and Akriti. We now have come to the end of this session. I'd like to thank all of you all for joining us. For more information on the showcase by Jayanti Reddy and Sukriti and Akriti, please visit the gallery at the LFW Virtual Hub. We'll see you soon again. Until then, have a great evening.
Thank you so much, Baba. And Sukriti, Akriti, Jayanti, congratulations on the new collection. Jayanti, even if I did not walk for you, but let's walk hand in hand during this COVID time. God bless you.
Next time.
Take care. Yes. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.